now, Storm Team 2 Chief Meteorologist Brian Davis with the Miami Valley's certified most accurate forecast.
All right, we're tracking some showers tonight and a few thunderstorms around maybe another hour or so, and that's mainly in the northern part of the Miami Valley with a cold front moving through. Heavy rain at least early this evening, and then we'll be looking at some lighter showers tonight and into Friday, but also cooler weather coming in on those gusty winds. And right now, Saturday looks kind of chilly in the morning, down in the upper 30s and low 40s over the Miami Valley. And we expect daytime highs, though, to recover to the 60s and even warmer after that under plenty of sunshine on Saturday. And we'll be looking at temperatures climbing into the 70s for a good part of next week. 60 degrees at 7 o'clock. We'll have some showers around, but it looks like the threat of severe weather will be out of here. 54 at 9 o'clock. Temperatures will come down fairly quickly this evening with the passage of the cold front. And tomorrow morning at 8 o'clock, 48. Some of those leftover showers. Still some showers at noon, 52. And some breaks in the clouds possible later in the day tomorrow, 56. And a chance of some of those showers. We still have the flood watch in effect until 2 a.m., but I think we're tracking our final batch of heavier rain. 1.5 inches over the past 24 hours up there. Jeff Cador and Bell Center. Dwayne Hollard and Terry Hutt had 1 inch of rain. Barbara Richards and Ketterings had 1.1. And around the Fairborn Beaver Creek area, Bill Telsero at 9/10 of an inch. Jim Robbins, Beaver Creek, the same number. And Dennis Lowstetter in Jamestown, the heaviest amount, 1.7. We saw some of the heaviest rain south central Ohio, southwest Ohio around Cincinnati, and some of that catching the eastern part of Greene County. Still the potential for some excessive rainfall this evening that could lead to some flash flooding, although it looks like even that risk diminishing, and also our risk of severe weather quickly diminishing, just a marginal risk, about a 5% chance here. Here's our cold front coming through. Once you're on the other side of the front, you don't have to worry about severe weather. But we still could have a warning come out. Shelby, Logan, Auglaize County next half hour or so as that line continues to progress to the east and northeast. But even over the past 15 minutes, it looks like that line weakening now as it crosses I-75 up around Anna, heading up toward Botkins and Wapakoneta. And then you can see some more scattered showers developing along that cold front, pushing through the far southwest part of the state. Tornado watch to the east of us with windy, cool weather coming in behind this weather system. Speaking of wind, tonight and Friday could be some gusts up around 30 to 40 miles per hour. As the temperatures come down through the 50s this evening, we drop down into the 40s here late tonight. Highs tomorrow, low to mid 50s north, and the southern part of the Miami Valley should manage to get up into the middle 50s in many areas. The Bryant Heating and Cooling Systems camera, a wet I-75. It looks like the rain taking a break up there around Poe Avenue. And 62 degrees, our current temperature reading. There's that wind shift west-southwest at 10 now. Still sticky on the relative humidity at 96%, but here comes the cool air. Richmond at 54, 58 at Eaton, and 55 at Union City. Our future track forecast map pulling the showers through this evening. More showers around, though, tonight and into tomorrow. Your forecast tonight, showers, thunder just about out of here. Some areas of heavy evening rain, mainly north over the next hour or so, windy and cooler, and a low tonight of 47. Tomorrow, mostly cloudy, showers, windy, cool, high 56, gust to 40 miles per hour, and a chilly start Saturday morning, but 66 in the afternoon with sunshine. There'll be a chance of a thunderstorm mainly later in the day on Sunday, and 75. And here comes that warm weather, 78 Tuesday, even up around 80 on Thursday. Chance of thunderstorms Wednesday.